Damn, I didn't realize my speakers were this bad. This is embarrassing. Okay, let's try this again. Oh no, time to get some new speakers. And I wasted no time. A couple of days later, I received my speakers in the mail, and of course I went with some JBL speakers because the OEM speakers are just not doing it for me. This is my third replacement so far. As you can see, the BRZ does require a bracket for the speakers to get put on properly, and I found this website that does like a really good job at specifying what kind of speaker fits your car like perfectly and stuff. So I'm gonna be putting it down in this description so you guys can check it out. And it doesn't matter if you don't own a BRZ, like it could be any car. Okay, so you see that blue thing I'm holding, right? Now you're gonna go to the side of the panel to kind of like pry it open, to, you know what I'm saying, to like, you know, it's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but don't be too rough with it and don't be too gentle with it either. It's gonna, you know what I'm saying, just pull it, and then it's just gonna boop. I'm gonna have to disconnect the battery, and then what else? And then unplug these. It's 30 something degrees outside. It's cold and we're expecting a blizzard at like 7 p.m. tonight, maybe 4. I think it's around 1 or 2. I'm just trying to do this as fast as I can. I just couldn't wait to get this done, man, so that is why I'm out here. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay, so green is at the bottom, and then white is on top. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, just like this. Alright. Okay, let's remember, guys, green at the bottom, and the other one is at top. Okay, so we ended up unplugging everything because it's easier like that. After taking off the door panel, if you still have those on the door, you want to take them off and put them back onto the door panel because it's easier to just push them back in after you're done. I'm already done with the passenger door. Now I'm gonna be doing the driver's side. Yo, this is way easier than I thought. This is literally like a 5 to 10 minutes job. Like, dude. Okay, let's get this.